Have you ever been excited about scratching off the lottery ticket or a card? Well, you can make your own DIY scratch-off cards right here!
For this you will need scissors, a paintbrush,
A small container. I'm using a bottle cap, a small card, any kind of silver metallic paint, some tape, some dish soap. I'm using 7th generation, and some wax paper. First, take some wax paper and some tape and tape a line of tape on the wax paper. When you're done with this, the next thing you have to do is create the scratch paint. For this you will need your small bottle cap or small container, your silver metallic paint, and your dish soap. Mix 1 teaspoon of your silver metallic paint and half a teaspoon of the dish soap. If you think your paint is too runny, you can add less than half a teaspoon of dish liquid. Now you can start painting your tape with the mixture. You might need to coat it once again after it's dry. I've done 2 to 3 coats and I'm waiting for it to dry. Meanwhile, you can take your cardstock and decorate it. I've used washi tapes. Now you can write the message on the cardstock that you want to be scratched off. I'm making this card for Father's Day, so I'm gonna make it say, "Best Dad Ever." When your paint is dry, cut off the required length for your message. Now your scratch-off sticker is ready. You can peel off the tape and stick it on your message. Isn't this amazing? Now you can finish it off by attaching a coin with hot glue. I'm going to keep this card for my dad for Father's Day. And I'm going to use this for the video and I'm going to scratch it off. Crazy fun!
Yeah, it was crazy fun. It was crazy fun. Ha! I forgot. It's crazy fun.
I forgot. If you like this channel, please subscribe.